back to my channel Be Optimistic. Today I'm here with the list of few uncommon words which will really help you guys to boost your scores and IELTS writing as well as speaking, and will also useful for your IELTS reading and listening, because sometime in reading and listening synonyms are used. And in my previous videos, I've explained that how you can make comparisons and line graph, pie, bar, and table. And if you haven't watched those videos, you can get the link in the description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. First word in our list is assist, that is a verb, and meaning of it is help, means to help someone. We can say it is a verb. And for example, Khalsa aid assist victim of natural calamities and diseases without any partiality. Khalsa aid is an international organization. Assist means help, victim means shikar, right? Khalsa aid assist victim of natural calamities and diseases without any partiality. It means Khalsa aid help the people who become prey of natural calamities like droughts, floods, and diseases without any partiality. It's our first word. You can use it in place of help, right? And secondly, we have adjective of assist, that is assistance. So let's clear it with the example that how you guys can use it while writing or speaking. For example, Khalsa aid always come forward for assistance of humanity. Khalsa aid always come forward for assistance of humanity. It means Khalsa aid हमेशा ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਹਿਊਮੈਨਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. So when we use the adjective, at that time we have to use another verb. We can't use adjective without using any verb. So use all the adjectives properly with the great care. So let's move towards our second word, that is ameliorate, which is a verb, and it means to improve something, right? And let's have a look at its example. Environmental conditions are ameliorating due to ban on transportation. Like as in these days we can see that environmental conditions such as water of Ganga river is becoming pure and drinkable. So I've taken this as example. Environmental conditions are ameliorating means improving due to ban on transportation, right? And next word is adjective of the ameliorate, that is amelioration. Let's have a look at its example. Amelioration of environment is taking place. Here you can see that we have used amelioration, that is our adjective, and the beginning of environment is taking place. Taking place is verb over here. As I told you earlier, we can use adjectives with the combination of verb only due to ban on transportation. Rest of example is same as per the previous one. I've just, when you use the adjective, the sentence formation, ways of formation of the sentence change totally, but it conveys exactly same meaning. So if you guys will come to know about the appropriate uses of the verbs and adjective, then you can easily bring variations in your writing. It's gonna really useful for you. Hope so that these four words are clear to you. So let's move towards our another words, that is exaggerate. Exaggerate is a verb that means represent something as being larger. It means like in Punjabi we can say that means ਵਧਾ ਚੜਾ ਕੇ present karna, right? For example, media exaggerate the issues in order to gain popularity. It means media ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ issues ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾ ਚੜਾ ਕੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾ popularity ਨੂੰ gain ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, right? So our next word is adjective of exaggerate. There is exaggeration. Here we can see that exaggeration of everything should be in limit because it can hurt others. Right? Exaggeration of everything means हर एक चीज़ ਨੂੰ present ਕਰਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਧਾਉਣਾ ਚੜਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ because ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ hurt ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ. And our next word is endorse. That is verb again. It means support. Right? For example, celebrities should not endorse unhealthy food items. Celebrities ਨੂੰ unhealthy food items ਨੂੰ support नहीं करना चाहिदा. And our next word is adjective of endorse. That is endorsement. So let's see its example. For endorsement of healthy products, celebrities should come forward. It means healthy products ਦੀ endorsement ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ support ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ celebrities ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. Should come forward. Here you can see that we have used verb come forward. So let's move towards our another word, that is deteriorate or exacerbate. These both are verbs and both have same meaning. That means make something worse, means किसी चीज़ ਨੂੰ खराब कर देना. Right? For example, spread of coronavirus is deteriorating living standard of people. Spread means किसी चीज़ ਦਾ फैलना. Spread of coronavirus is deteriorating means making the living standard of people worse. Right? I am explaining these words in Punjabi so that you don't have to face any difficulty while understanding and using these words. Right? And next word is adjective of deteriorate. That is deterioration. And in case of exacerbate it is exacerbation. Right? For example, human beings are responsible for deterioration of environment. Similarly, we can use exacerbation over here in place of deterioration. Human beings are responsible is verb over here for deterioration of environment. Right? In next word is enforce. That is a verb and it means impose, means लागू करना. As government usually impose some rules and regulation from time to time. For example, government of Punjab have enforced stringent means strict rules to fight against COVID-19. It means government of Punjab have enforced means government of Punjab have enforced stringent means strict rules to fight against COVID-19. ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੇ COVID-19 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਖਤ ਰੂਲਸ ਲਾਗੂ ਕੀਤੇ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹੈਵ ਇਨਫੋਰਸਡ stringent rules to fight against COVID-19. And our next word is adjective of enforce. That is enforcement. And its example is like this. Enforcement of stringent rules should be on urgent basis in order to control the situation. Enforcement of stringent rules should be on urgent basis in order to control the situation ਨੂੰ control ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ strict rules ਨੂੰ urgent basis ਤੇ apply ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. Right? So let's move further. Our next word is imitate. That means copy or follow. For example, youngsters imitate their favorite celebrities which can be harmful for them. Youngsters imitate their favorite celebrities. Youngsters copy their favorite celebrities which can be harmful for them. It is quite simple word and you can use it easily. And next word is adjective of imitate. That is imitation. Imitation of celebrities is not a wise idea without having deep knowledge regarding their life. Imitation of celebrities is not a wise idea. Means it is not good to follow the celebrities without having deep knowledge regarding their life. In next one is eradicate. That is a verb. It means uproot. In Punjabi we can say it like this, जड़ तो खत्म कर देना. Right? For example, in order to eradicate COVID-19, people should follow all the rules which are enforced by governing authorities. Here I have used the word that we have learned earlier, that is enforce. In order to eradicate COVID-19 ਨੂੰ ਜੜ ਤੋਂ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਲਾਗੂ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਹਨ, right? And next word is eradication, that is adjective of eradicate. For example, for eradication of COVID-19, people should endorse government's decisions, right? And here I've again used the word, some word that I have told you earlier, that is endorse here, and I've used verb of endorse, no? And its adjective is endorsement. For eradication of COVID-19, people should endorse government's decision. It means people should support the government for eradication of COVID-19, right? So let's move towards our last two words. Last second one is articulate. That is a verb. It means to present something effectively. Means किसी भी चीज़ ਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ way ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ present ਕਰਨਾ, right? For example, Salman Khan, renowned actor of Bollywood, renowned means famous, articulated precautionary measures of COVID-19 via song. As you all know that recently Salman Khan have launched his song named Corona, and via this song he tried to aware people about some precautions that they can take in order to fight against COVID-19. So here I've taken this as example. Salman Khan, a renowned actor of Bollywood, articulated precautionary measures of COVID-19 via a song, right? And our last word for today is articulation. That is an adjective, and its example can be like this: articulation of ideas can put huge impact on viewers. It means effective presentation of ideas can put huge impact on viewers, right? Here we have used can helping verb and put verb. So always keep in mind, when you are using an adjective, you have to use a verb, and be very sure and clear about all the spellings, as well as follow the 100% rule. It means meanings of each and every word should be clear in your mind, so use these words appropriately. And if you will use all these words appropriately, no one can stop you from getting your desired bench scores in writing and speaking, because lexical resource, that is our vocabulary, is one of 4 criteria on basis of which our writing is being checked. I hope so that this video will help you guys. And if you face any difficulty while using these words, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.